everyone, welcome to my Persian Corner. My name is Panta, and today we have a quick lesson on the months of the year in Persian as well as the seasons. Now, the months of the year come from ancient Zoroastrianism, which, as many of you may know, was the religion in Iran prior to the advent of Islam. Very simply put, in Zoroastrianism, there's the idea of a triumph of good over evil or light over darkness. And so we see a lot of this idea in many of the traditions that exist in Iran still today. The names of the months come from these spiritual forces that helped the creator to sort of defeat bad or evil in the world, or else they come from attributes deemed worthy of humans possessing, or else they come from elements that were deemed worthy of worship. So let's take a look at our months and our seasons in Persian.
Let's start with the months. Maha. The ha at the end of mah is one of the ways to form the plural. So mah can mean month or moon. And then we have maha, months. So our first month is farvardin. Farvardin. It roughly means guardian spirits, and you'll notice that the dates correspond with the zodiac sign for Aries, because the Iranian calendar is different from the Western calendar, but the dates correspond with the dates for the zodiac sign. So if you're into that, then it should be easy. Ordi Behisht, which roughly means ultimate truth and corresponds with Taurus. Khordad, wholeness or perfection, corresponding with the dates for Gemini. Tir, or swift one, and this corresponds with the dates for Cancer. Mordad, which means mortal, but many claim that this is actually incorrect and it should be Amordad, which on the Zoroastrian calendar I believe actually is still Amordad, which means immortal. And this corresponds with Leo. Shahrivar, desirable land or country, and this corresponds with Virgo. Mehr, covenant or loyalty. In modern Persian, this means kindness, kind of love and kindness, and it corresponds with the dates for Libra. Aban, water, and this corresponds with Scorpio. Azar, fire, and Sagittarius. Day, creator, and this corresponds with the dates for Capricorn. Bahman, which means good spirit, but in modern Persian it also means avalanche, and it's actually also a man's name, and the dates correspond with the sign for Aquarius. Esfand, holy devotion, and this corresponds with Pisces. And now fasl. So fasl is season, and it can also refer to like seasons of a TV series, or it also means chapter, like a book chapter. So our first season is bahar. So for example, we could say فروردین، اردیبهشت و خرداد ماه‌های بهار هستند. Then we have تابستان. With this on, Typically in spoken Persian, it becomes un. So tabistan would be tabistun. And this is very, very common with words that have on. So for example, even with the city, Tehran, a lot of times people will call it Tehrun. And this even happens with the nationality when we say Irani, because there's that on, Irani. A lot of times people will say Iruni, or just as another example, nan, which is bread. Hardly anybody says nan. Pretty much everyone says nun. So, tabestun. With our examples with the months, تیر، مرداد و شهریور ماه‌های تابستونن. Then we have پاییز. پاییز. مهر، آبان و آذر ماه‌های پاییزن. And finally, زمستان. زمستان, or in spoken Persian, زمستون, because again we have this on, which becomes un in spoken Persian. دی، بهمن و اسفند ماه‌های زمستونن.
Thank you so much for joining me in this lesson. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you in the next videos. Khodafis.